Welcome to our channel where we break down exactly how to fix a loan denial from SoFi and recover your chances quickly. If you've recently faced a loan denial from SoFi, don't worry. There are clear, actionable steps you can take to turn that no into a future yes. First, start by understanding the reason behind the denial. SoFi typically sends a notice outlining why your application was rejected, whether it's due to credit score issues, income verification, debt-to-income ratio, or other factors. Once you know the reason, you can tackle the problem directly. Step 1 is to check your credit report in detail. Obtain a free credit report from major bureaus and look for errors or negative marks that might be weighing down your score. If you identify inaccuracies, dispute them immediately to improve your credit profile. Step 2 involves improving your credit score if that was the main issue. Pay down existing debts, make all payments on time, and avoid opening new lines of credit while your application is pending. Step 3 is focusing on your income and debt-to-income ratio. If your income documentation wasn't sufficient or your debts are high, look for ways to increase your income streams or pay down debts before reapplying. Step 4 is reaching out to SoFi's customer support directly. Sometimes talking to a representative can provide deeper insights into your application's status and tips on what specifically you should improve before trying again. Step 5, if appropriate, consider a cosigner with a stronger financial profile to help strengthen your application. This could be a family member or trusted friend with a good credit history. Step 6, after addressing these issues, carefully reapply. Ensure you gather all necessary documentation and double-check everything for accuracy. Being transparent and prepared can make a big difference in the final decision. Consistency is key throughout this process. Keep monitoring your credit and financial health regularly so you're ready at any time to apply again with confidence. Remember, a denial is not a dead end, but a signal to improve and come back stronger. Follow these steps with patience and persistence, and you'll increase your chances of getting approved by SoFi in the near future. Our channel provides ongoing tips and guidance to help you master personal finance and loan success. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on useful strategies and advice tailored just for you.